Hello all, welcome to Bona Dea Fashions. In today's video, we are here again back with the most demanded and requested collection of borderless semi-soft silk sarees. All these sarees are soft in nature, light in weight and a perfect wear for any kind of occasions. And about the design, unique putta weavings are there running throughout the body along with a contrast rich pallu and a contrast plain blouse. The tassels attach pallu enhancing the elegance of this collection, and these beautiful collections are priced at 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamilnadu. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. And if you guys wanted our quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there given in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number only. And also note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Bona Dea thank all of you for your consistent support, and if you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.